my tax bracket is 58%. Is that fair? That for every dollar I make, I have to pay 58 cents in tax? That means I have to work like 3-4 times harder than everybody else to make the same amount of money. I think it's actually fair. The reason I think it's fair is because I understand the tax code and I don't pay anywhere near that. And that's because I do things like I take pictures of every single receipt, because the sales tax on this receipt, even though it's small, it's only 60 cents because I bought some water and I didn't pay a lot of tax on it. But even though it's 60 cents, that's still 60 cents that I can deduct up to $10,000 per year. You might not think that that's much, but at a 58% tax bracket like I would be if I didn't understand the tax code and how most people that make over $1 million are, that $10,000 actually saves me $5,800. So the math actually works for me to take the time to take a picture of this receipt, put it in my phone, it automatically uploads to Google and iCloud. And then at the end of the year, my assistant goes through it. I don't know, he probably uses some type of AI software where he uploads pictures of all these screenshot or pictures of all these receipts. And then the AI spits out what I paid in sales tax. And then I move that over to my tax return. Now, why have you never heard of this? It's probably because you're using a CPA, also known as a certified public accountant, basically a glorified bookkeeper that has been certified by the gods above to work for the public in accounting. Do you notice there's nowhere in there it says anything about being a tax expert or even a tax professional? In fact, most CPAs don't know the slightest thing about taxes, and they don't even file their own tax returns because they're not tax professionals. They're bean counters. So if you want to save money on your taxes, you need to get a tax strategist or a tax expert or at least a tax professional to help you. And the reason why your CPA has never told you about taking pictures of your receipts is because the IRS forbids them. That's right, the IRS forbids your average CPA from telling you about this magical $10,000 tax write-off that all of us can do. Every single one of us can write this off. Why are they hiding this from you? Why have they never told you about this? There's many other things I haven't told you, like you can rent your house to the public or your own company 14 days a year, tax-free income. You can put your kids on salary and pay them $15,000 a year, tax deductible for you, tax-free for the kids, and many, many more items just like that. So do yourself a favor, like the video, share it with a friend. Make sure you follow for more tax advice like this one. Have a great day.